Welcome to Financial Literacy, where we demystify the world of finance, one concept at a time. Here at Financial Literacy, our goal is to arm you with the knowledge and tools needed to understand and manage your finances effectively. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of financial wisdom, the importance of adapting to financial change. We'll explore this through our topic, 3 Rules of Change. These guidelines will help you stay ahead in the ever-evolving financial landscape. Today, we're diving deep into the rules that govern financial change, ensuring you're equipped to navigate the currents of economic shifts. First up, the rule of adaptability. In the realm of finance, adaptability refers to the ability to adjust and modify financial strategies in response to changing market conditions and personal circumstances. This concept is not just about surviving in a fluctuating economy, but thriving by seizing new opportunities that arise. Understanding and implementing adaptability means recognizing that the financial world is not static. Interest rates shift, markets fluctuate, and personal life events can alter one's financial landscape dramatically. Being flexible with financial plans allows for adjustments that can mitigate risks or capitalize on potential gains. Consider the scenario where market volatility is high. Instead of panicking, an adaptable investor might review and adjust their investment strategies. This could involve shifting assets to more stable investments or taking advantage of lower prices to buy undervalued stocks. Such strategic flexibility can not only protect but also potentially increase an investment portfolio's value. Remember, the most successful financial strategies are not rigid. They evolve. Next, let's explore the rule of proactivity. In the realm of finance, proactivity isn't just a buzzword, it's a strategic approach. It means actively managing your finances by making decisions today that will safeguard and enhance your wealth tomorrow. This approach shifts the focus from merely reacting to financial events to preparing for them in advance. Why is this so critical? Because the financial landscape is ever-changing, and by the time you react, it might be too late. Markets can plunge, economies can shift, and what was once a stable financial plan can quickly become inadequate. Consider the practice of regular financial reviews. These are not just routine checkups. They are proactive measures to adjust your financial strategy based on current trends and forecasts. By doing so before a market downturn or an economic crisis, you can protect your assets and even find opportunities to grow your wealth. Staying one step ahead is key to maintaining financial health. Lastly, we have the rule of diversification. Diversification is essentially the strategy of spreading investments across various financial vehicles, industries, and other categories. It aims to maximize returns by investing in different areas that would each react differently to the same event. In the world of investing, diversification is akin to the old wisdom of not putting all your eggs in one basket. Let's break that down. Imagine you have 10 eggs. These are your hard-earned savings. If you place all 10 eggs into one basket and stumble, you risk losing them all. However, if you distribute these eggs into several baskets and one falls, you only lose a portion of your eggs, not everything. This principle applies directly to building a robust investment portfolio. By spreading your investments across, say, stocks, bonds, real estate, and perhaps some commodities, you not only protect your assets from singular points of failure, but also set the stage for multiple sources of potential gains. Diversify, and you spread the risk as well as the potential rewards. To recap, we've covered the 3 essential rules of change in finance: adaptability, proactivity, and diversification. Adaptability allows you to navigate through financial uncertainties. Proactivity empowers you to anticipate changes rather than just reacting to them. Diversification, meanwhile, spreads your risks across various investments. These principles don't just coexist, they reinforce each other, creating a robust framework for financial success. Embrace these rules to enhance your financial resilience and growth. Thank you for tuning into Financial Literacy. Subscribe for more insights and tips to master your financial journey. Stay informed, stay prepared.